So for this project, what we want to do is only use the astronaut in this particular case. We're going to do that with some of these other images, but I don't need all this other information. And what we want to do is use the print and cut on the Cricut. So what I'm going to do is just snag this portion of the image. Then I'm going to go into my photo editing software, which I use Photoshop. And I'm going to create a new project. I usually use a 12 by 12, make the image large, and then I can reduce it. So now that I have that image, I'm going to paste it into here, and I'm going to just resize it. So I'm going to use transform, and we're going to resize it, make it larger, approximately about 12 by 12, and then we can make it smaller. This way we've got good resolution. So I come in here and do this, accept that. I don't need this layer, so we're getting rid of that. And then we're going to take this yellow background color. I'm going to select that, get rid of that. And now I can come over to export this out as a PNG. And we'll just call this P Astro. Click OK. Now I can go into the Cricut where I'm going to be able to upload it. We'll upload the image. Grab that P Astro PNG. And we're going to make it complex. We'll click continue. And we're not going to do anything here. We're going to leave it because we just want the outline, right? We want the Cricut to cut out the outline of it. So I'm going to click OK or continue here. We're going to use the print then cut option. Keep it the name if we want, put some tags in there. I'll click upload. And there's our image. So now we can insert this image into our project. And we'll make it smaller so we can print it. Let's just go with it being 6 inches high. And if we want to rotate it to straighten it out, we can do that. And then we're ready to make it. Now we would repeat this with the other projects or other images if we had more. But when we make it, what we're going to do is we're going to send it to the printer. And then we're going to print it first, put it on the that paper on our pad, and then cut it. And it'll cut out the shape and outline of it so we don't sit there and do it manually by hand. So everywhere that you see, like this will all get cut out wherever you can see it. So it'll be nicely cut within all these little tight areas. And we can do that with other images. So we can make these PNGs like this for you and make them pretty simple. So if you have an image that has all the detail on it, you only want a portion of it, then you can request us to create that PNG for you.